welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to make aloe vera gel from this fresh aloe vera, and I'm actually going to do the thicker aloe vera like the store one. Okay, so if you really want to see how I'm going to make this, kindly stay tuned, don't go anywhere and watch till end. Please watch till end. Okay, so let's begin by cutting the edges of this aloe vera. So I'm going to do a few of it just to show you guys. So I think this one is enough. Okay, so this is the gel out of the aloe leaf, and I'm going to transfer it into a thicker gel like the one they sell in the store, as I said earlier. So aloe vera is a plant that contains a natural smoothing gel, and it is used in many skincare products and hair as well. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, beta carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, which are antioxidants. Okay, so now I'm going to stick blend the gel so we get it in a juicy form or liquid form. Let me put it that way. So now I'm blending it to get the liquid form. All right, so if you're new here, my name is Aloe, so it is a channel name. If you like what you're seeing already, hit on the subscribe button and notification bell so whenever I upload a video you can be notified. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for your maximum support. Thank you, God bless you. So I'm going to let it sit to allow the foam to calm down so we get our gel. Okay, so antagam, and this is what is going to help thicken the gel. Okay, so this is mostly used in shower gel and in creams. Okay, so I'm going to take half teaspoon of this. I thought I was filming, but not knowing I've paused the video. So I have here my xantagam powder, which is going to help the gel to be thicker, and I have the liquid you are seeing here is glycerin. That's what's going to help this xantagam to melt very well. Okay, so xantagam is mainly used for shower gel and creams to thicken it. Okay, all right, I'm just going to mix it. Okay, all right, so with the help of glycerin, this xantagam is mixed very well. Okay, you cannot use water in doing this. If you use water, the whole thing is going to spoil. The xantagam is going to spoil, and you are not going to get the consistency you are looking for. So with the glycerin, you see the consistency of it, very smooth. Okay, so now I'm going to put it aside and bring my aloe vera juice. Yeah, let me call it juice. Okay, so now I'm going to add it here. Okay, I'm going to transfer this xantagam I have mixed here. Okay, so I'm just putting it in a bit. Okay, hope you can see. Okay, so now everything is entering, just adding everything to it. Okay, all right, so I'm stirring. You see how thick this has become? Very, very thick. Okay, you see how thick our gel has become. So this is our aloe vera gel. For that's it. You see the consistency is very, very, very thick. Very, very thick. I wish I did this in a bowl for you guys to see. So this is it. So now I'm going to put in cosmetic preservative to preserve this gel, because this is a fresh gel, aloe vera gel. So I'm going to put it into to keep it for a while, for days for me. Okay, or better still, you can put it in the fridge. Okay, so I'm just going to add a few drops of preservative. I chose cosmetic preservative because I'm going to use this in my creams and other things. Okay, so you see how thick our gel has become. Hope you can see. So guys, this is our aloe vera gel, almost like the store one. Hope you can see, almost like the store one, guys. So this is very simple to make, very, very simple. So this is made out of fresh aloe vera and xanthan. So now I'm going to transfer it here to store. So this is well sanitized container. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it here to store. So guys, this is it. This is our aloe vera gel, almost like the store one. Not almost, like the store one. Hope you can see. And I love the consistency. It's very, very thick and nice. So you can use this in making creams, facial creams and stuff. This is very, very easy to make. So just have a look at it. This is our gel, aloe vera gel, homemade aloe vera gel, just like a store gel. Okay, so I hope you can see it well. So that is it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment and share with friends and family. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.